Elderly woman murdered, husband in custody. 2-year-old dies after being hit by motor vehicle in St. James. Glock 17 seized, one man arrested in Kingston 13 raid. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. An elderly woman is dead while her husband is in police custody following an incident in Bogwalk, St. Catherine, early Saturday morning. Dead is Yvette McDonald, a 72-year-old retired nurse of Azar Lane in Bogwalk. According to reports, McDonald and her husband were at home when she went to use the bathroom about 2 a.m. She was attacked and chopped in the head and on her upper body. She later died. The Montego Bay police are probing the death of a 2-year-old girl in a motor vehicle crash in a section of St. James on Thursday. The child has been identified as Tiana Walters of Endon District in the parish. Reports are that the child died from injuries sustained in a crash at Duckatone Square. Reports from the police are that about 11:18 a.m., Tiana allegedly ran from her father's parked motorcar towards her mother across the street when she was hit by a Toyota Noah motor car. The police were alerted to the scene, and on arrival, she was rushed to the hospital where she was pronounced dead on arrival. The driver of the vehicle was warned for prosecution. The investigation continues. One 9mm Glock 17 pistol with a magazine containing 10 rounds of ammunition was seized by police on Fitzgerald Avenue, Kingston 13 on Saturday, April 15. Reports from the Hunts Bay Police are that at about 1:10 a.m., a team was on a mobile patrol in the area when a man was seen standing in the dark. On seeing the service vehicle, he jumped over a wall and into a yard. The police entered the premises and a search of the man and the area was conducted. During the search, the firearm and ammunition was found hidden between 2 blocks. The man was taken into custody. However, his identity is being withheld pending further investigations.